the dead battery sign is on, and still hasn't died. So, woohoo! Ooh, let's get the twinkle lights. Twinkle lights. Look at those twinkle lights. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat. How I wonder where you're at. Up above the world so high. Ah! No, I got caught. Oh, no, I'm good. I'm fine. There's my cat. You all gonna see part of it before. Do a close up on the eyeball. Hello. Hello. Like, well, you can see. I'm laying down and holding the camera in front of my face. Ah! No! I'm pretty much done with the plague. But whee! I don't have... Hold on. Like, I don't have this bad of eye bags underneath my eyes. Like, they're really bad. But they haven't reached, like, the Dobby eye bags level. It's kind of funny, because, like, I use, like, purples and, like, some black when I do my under eyeshadow for Virgil. Why are you out of focus? Focus on my face! My face looks like it's just a fly. Like, it just looks like a fly blob. This is great. Ah! What is my life? I'm like holding... Okay, there we go. My life is a lie. As is the cake. But it's kind of funny, because like my face looks like it is just a floating head. Oh my... Hands are weird. Like... They're like... In reference to the face, they're weird because like they're just weird. Like they're almost the size of a face. Like drawing anatomy is hard. Cause like I'll try to draw hands and it's like that isn't working, or like they're too small or they're too big. And I'm like, why can't I draw hands? And like my hands are tiny. Like look at these hands. They're tiny. They're tiny hands. Like I have small tiny hands with like little chubby fingers. Ooh. Oh. So it's like trying to draw hands. Looking at my hands, I'm like, my hands are tiny and chubs. Not that chubs, but like they're tiny little baby hands. Why? And don't get me started on feet. Like, feet are annoying to draw because, like, how do you, like, angles, like, drawing feet at angles, from the front is confusing. Like, I know it's some weird triangle thing, but then we try to do the details, and it's like, it's not, it looks weird, or they look too small. Like, half the time when I draw feet from the front, they look tiny, and I'm like, they look disproportionate to the rest of the body, and I'm like, or even to the other foot, and I'm like, why you look so weird? Why you look weird? This may or may not end up on YouTube. Probably will, probably not. But like, I leave a ship. 20th is gonna be fun because I'm going to go on a boat bus, and then like literally spend the night at the airport in Seattle at SeaTac until like the next morning. Like I'll get to this. I'll be like 7-ish hours, more than 7 hours early for my flight. Woohoo! Someone just opened a door. But then, like, I think it's like an all-day flight. I'm gonna be so confused because like, I looked at the itinerary. The plane's gonna stop at multiple airports, but I don't get off the plane until like some other one. So it's like I'm gonna be so confused. Like, I'm probably like scared to sleep on the airplane on my trip because I'm gonna be afraid that I'll miss I'll miss the airport that I'm supposed to get off on to get my connecting flight. Because knowing me, that'll be a thing. Failure of a human being right here. Yeah. And then, like, coming back, I think it's roughly the same thing. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna live off Starbucks coffee for those, like, entire days. I'm gonna have to. Coffee. Wait, yeah. My brain's like, is Starbucks gonna be open in the airport? And I'm like, I'm pretty sure it is, because they have the late night flights. They kind of have to be. Aww. I should apologize to advance. Like, sorry to the workers working at the SeaTac Starbucks, because I'm probably gonna be chilling there until my flight. Hi! Look at the cat! No, come back! No, come back. No, come here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Look, there's my cat. There's my cat. No, that's not my cat. That's not my cat. That was something else. That was the wig. There's my cat. Right by Baymax. Yay! Vinny, say hi! Say hi! Say hi to the internet. There's my cat. Well, now she likes to get my cat. Ah! You like those lights that are gonna be turned off here shortly. Hi. Come love me. Yeah, love on my wig. Love on my Virgil wig. Ugh. But don't love me. No, don't love me. See what I deal with? Okay, we're just gonna end this because I need to edit this. Ah! Cat. So weird, random, sideways vlog thing of life and complaining about things is done. My cat is still rubbing themselves against the tripod. Vincent, why you do this? These are actually rather comfy. Like, I'm actually really excited because I'm probably just gonna wear this same outfit when I go to the airport. Don't tell Princey. Right. Fit with this. Okay. Ta-da! Holy frick. Why don't you love me? Love me. Vincent. You'll see what my ass looks like. Oh, cap on. There we go. Okay. This is mildly uncomfortable. Holy frick. Okay, parts of me here. Yo, my hair is like so soft. Woo. So that's it for filming. There we go. That's all filming I have time for. Because music is playing, so. Peace. Hey guys, I really hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun working on it. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe, like, and the little notification button so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And I will see you all next time. Bye!